In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ChatGPT lagging problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when ChatGPT starts lagging on your laptop or PC, causing typing delays, text to stutter as it generates, or the browser tab to freeze, that's usually not OpenAI servers. It's usually by overloaded RAM or corrupted text stream cache. So what you want to go ahead and do is, if you have ChatGPT open when you're on a PC or anything like that, go ahead and open it up and just do a quick refresh by just pressing F5 just to refresh the page and log back into your profile. And if that doesn't work, then what we could do is go over and click this little icon, then go to site settings and then go to delete data and then press delete right there as well. And then what we could also go ahead and do is, if I click this, I see cookies and site data. And I can manage on device site data, and then I can press this little trash icon. That's going to delete the save data for that as well. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is press these three little dots on the top right and then go to settings. From here, go to system, and if there's use graphic acceleration available, all I want to do is make sure that this is turned on, and that's going to make a big difference as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.